Imagine making money while you sleep. It sounds like a dream, right? But with the power of your PC and some smart strategies, you can turn that dream into a reality. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 7 powerful secrets to make passive income, real money, without needing any special skills or complicated setups. These are methods that anyone can start today. And the best part is, they keep earning even when you're offline, resting, or spending time with loved ones. And if you stick around until the very end, I'll share a bonus strategy that personally helped me earn some money overnight last week. Let's get right into it. First up, secret number 1, rent out your unused internet. Sounds odd, but it's totally legit. Have you ever thought about how much of your internet connection just sits there unused? Honeygan is a platform that lets you monetize that unused bandwidth. You simply download their app, install it on your PC, and let it run in the background. Honeygan connects your unused internet to their network, which businesses use for things like data gathering and market research. You get paid passively based on how much data you share. It's as easy as that. I set this up on my PC, left it running overnight, and woke up to see fresh earnings on my dashboard. You don't have to do anything active after the initial install. It's literally earning money while you sleep. Just make sure to whitelist Honeygan in your firewall or antivirus to avoid any interruptions. This method can earn anywhere from a couple of dollars to $20 a day, depending on your connection and usage, which can really add up over time. Moving on to secret number 2, sell digital wallpapers or templates. If you have a knack for design or organization, this is a fantastic option. Using free or inexpensive tools like Sanua, you can create digital products such as wallpapers, resume templates, business proposals, budget trackers, or planners. Once you create these files, you can upload and sell them on marketplaces like Etsy. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once, and they can be downloaded repeatedly by customers, generating passive income for weeks, months, or even years. For example, one resume template I designed last month is still generating sales every week. The key is to focus on evergreen topics or trending styles, and consider using AI writing assistants like ChatGPT to help craft the content or descriptions for your templates quickly. Etsy makes it super easy to set up a shop, and you don't need inventory or shipping. Just make the design, upload it, and let the platform handle the sales. Secret number 3 is all about affiliate marketing and automating it. Affiliate marketing means promoting other people's products and earning a commission on any sales you refer. Platforms like ClickBank and Distore host thousands of products across all kinds of niches, from health to software, and pay commissions that range widely but can be very lucrative. The passive part comes from setting up your promotion once and letting it run. You can create blog posts, YouTube videos, or social media posts with your affiliate links, and then use scheduling and automation tools to push those links regularly without you being involved every day. For instance, you can use tools to schedule Instagram posts, pin blog posts on Pinterest, or even use auto-posting on Twitter and Facebook. Once your content is out there, people click your links and buy products while you're sleeping, and commissions roll in. Affiliate marketing requires some initial effort, like choosing the right products and creating valuable content, but it scales very well once you get going. Next up is secret number 4, running a cash cow YouTube channel using AI tools. If you think YouTube income requires being on camera or filming elaborate videos, think again. Tools like Pictory AI can transform text scripts into fully edited, faceless videos in minutes. You can create videos about popular topics like technology reviews, top 10 lists, or motivational content, all without showing your face or recording voice if you prefer. Once your YouTube channel meets the requirements to monetize, every view counts as potential income through ads. The videos stay on your channel, accumulating views over time, so your ad revenue keeps growing even when you're not actively uploading. The key here is to choose evergreen niches that people search for consistently, and to upload videos regularly to keep your channel growing. Secret number 5 is earning royalties from ebooks. This method has been around for years and remains a solid passive income stream. You can write your own ebook on a subject you know well or outsource the writing to freelancers if you prefer. Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP, makes it easy to publish your book digitally. Once published, every time someone purchases your ebook, you receive a royalty, a percentage of the sale price. I published a short productivity guide last year, and it still earns me money monthly without any extra work. The best part is, once your book is up, you don't have to update it unless you want to. Royalties continue to flow as long as people buy your book. You can write about anything from how-to guides, fiction, cookbooks, or even niche hobbies. The trick is to optimize your book's description and keywords so people can find it easily in Amazon searches. Secret number 6 is setting up an AI-powered print-on-demand store. AI tools like Midjourney or Sonyua's AI features help you create stunning t-shirt, mug, or poster designs quickly and without artistic skills. You then connect these designs to print-on-demand platforms like Printful and Shopify, which handle all printing, packaging, and shipping for you. This means you don't hold any inventory or deal with logistics. Someone buys a t-shirt with your design on Shopify, Printful prints and ships it directly to the customer, and you keep the profits? This business model can be started with little upfront investment, and your store can generate income 24/7. Using AI for designs means you can create fresh products faster and stand out from the competition with unique art. Finally, secret number 7 is selling stock photography, especially AI-generated images. If you're already experimenting with AI art generators like DALL-E or Midjourney, this is a perfect way to monetize your creations. Upload your best images to stock photo websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. These platforms allow buyers to download your images for use in websites, marketing materials, or personal projects. Every download earns you royalties. Because your images are hosted on these sites, your sales can happen anytime, day or night. I started uploading AI-generated landscapes and abstract art last year, and those images still sell consistently, bringing in a steady passive income stream. And here's a bonus strategy for you starting a revenue-generating blog. Platforms like Medium or Blogger pay writers based on engagement or ad revenue shares. The beauty of blogging is you write once, optimize for search engines with SEO techniques, and your content continues to attract visitors for months or years. This ongoing traffic means ongoing income through ad impressions, affiliate links, or sponsored posts. One of my blog articles about money-saving tips still brings in revenue after almost a year, without me needing to update it regularly. Starting a blog requires some upfront writing effort, but can pay off massively over time. So, there you have it, 7 powerful secrets to make money while you sleep using just your PC. You don't need expensive equipment or advanced skills, just a willingness to start and learn as you go. Whether it's renting your internet with Honeygan, selling digital templates on Etsy, automating affiliate marketing, creating faceless YouTube videos, earning royalties from ebooks, running AI-powered print-on-demand stores, or selling stock photos, there's a method here that can fit your interests and schedule. I encourage you to pick one or two to start with. The magic of passive income is in building multiple streams, so over time, your earnings grow and compound. Imagine waking up every morning to notifications of new sales, commissions, or ad revenue. That's true financial freedom. If you found these strategies helpful, please hit the like button and share this video with friends who want to make money online. Comment below which secret you're excited to try first. I love hearing your success stories. And don't forget to subscribe to Coincrafts for more practical money-making tutorials delivered every week. Thanks for watching, and here's to your passive income success.